Hey guys, it's Eco Compact, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And this is a new vlog. It's the 31st of December. It's New Year's Eve, baby, and I have a lot of things planned for today, tomorrow, Friday, and probably this weekend. One of my good friends is visiting me, and yeah, I can't wait to see her. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to meet one of my good friends, Fifi. I haven't seen her in 6 months. Yeah, I haven't seen her in 6 months. She's coming over, she's visiting me, and she'll be spending New Year's Eve, New Year's Day together, and probably the weekend. So yeah, let's go.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not gonna well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Went gone for a year, only roll like once. Like move fast and in the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the stars. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You talking more and more.
We have 2 minutes.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna cry, I need to hear it from you. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone Happy birthday! Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach.
Oh guys.
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. You know I wanna be around. Tell you more and more. You can get me far. You think I'm letting down my love.
Wow.
Open up, let me in and see, boy.
Oh guys.
Just wanna know what your love in me,
We are hungry. Oh, sorry,
Let's go. Happy New Year. Oh. Era ko ba di frunte?
Garlic here?
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you.
Hey guys, it's Eco Compact and welcome to my new vlog. If you haven't seen my content yet, like, you need to go back and watch my first 2 videos. So it's a Friday and I'm going home now. It's after work, knocked off early, and yeah, my friend is waiting at home for me. She's in my apartment. She's been here since Wednesday, and yeah, I'm gonna get home and do cutesy stuff. Honey, I'm home. Hey, yeah, to me it was yeah, vlog. I wanna simply eat the old candies. Show me those chocolates in there. I want the chocolates.